Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best outdoor odor eliminator is probably one of the most essential tools for any pet owner looking to maintain a fresh and welcoming outdoor space, especially when dealing with common canine companions whose natural behaviors can lead to lingering smells on patios, decks, and lawns. This product aims to tackle those stubborn odors at their source, neutralizing them rather than just masking them, ensuring that your backyard remains a pleasant environment for both your family and your furry friends, transforming your outdoor living area from a potential odor zone into a scent-free sanctuary. Number 5. Angry Orange Pet Odor Eliminator 24 ounces. Are lingering pet odors making your home less enjoyable? We have the perfect solution to tackle those tough smells. Harnessing the natural power of citrus, this cleaner effectively breaks down odors at their source. It's designed to leave your home smelling fresh and clean. Accidents happen, but they don't have to leave a lasting impression. This formula is specifically made to handle dog and cat urine and stains on carpets. Infused with natural orange oil, it provides a pleasant scent without harsh chemicals. Enjoy a truly clean environment with a refreshing citrus fragrance. Don't let strong smells take over your living space. This powerful eliminator is your go-to for tackling even the most stubborn pet-related odors. Get a generous 24-ounce supply of this effective odor eliminator. It's ready to use whenever those unexpected messes occur. What we like. This one uses natural orange oil for a pleasant citrus scent. If you're looking for a powerful yet naturally derived odor eliminator for everyday messes, this is a great choice. It's ideal for homes with pets where strong smells are a frequent concern. What people say. This product is a game changer for outdoor pet messes. It completely eliminated the odor from my patio after my dog had an accident. I was skeptical at first, but it really works wonders. I've tried other odor eliminators, but this one is by far the most effective. It tackles tough smells like urine and feces without just masking them. The scent is fresh and not overpowering. The spray bottle is easy to use and covers a large area. I appreciate that it's safe to use around my pets and children. It's become a staple in my cleaning supplies. Number 4. Angry Orange Pet Odor Eliminator 8 ounces. Are lingering pet odors making your home less enjoyable? We have the solution you've been searching for. This industrial-strength formula is designed to tackle even the toughest pet smells. It effectively neutralizes and sanitizes, leaving your space fresh. Our concentrated formula allows you to make multiple bottles of cleaner. 1 gallon makes 4 32 ounces bottles, providing great value. Don't let odors linger. This product works quickly to eliminate smells, so you can enjoy a cleaner home environment. Beyond just masking odors, it sanitizes surfaces, promoting a healthier living space for you and your pets. Experience the power of Angry Orange for yourself. Say goodbye to pet odors and hello to a fresh, clean home. What we like. This industrial-strength formula is concentrated, allowing you to make a full gallon. If you need to tackle very tough, persistent pet odors and want a cost-effective solution that lasts, this is the one. It's perfect for heavy-duty odor problems and frequent use. What people say. It is a great product that works well for eliminating odors. This product is very effective at removing pet odors from outdoor areas. I love how well this product works to keep my yard smelling fresh. Number 3. Zero Odor Pro Commercial Strength Eliminator. Are you struggling with persistent smells that just won't go away? We understand how frustrating that can be. Introducing a powerful solution designed to tackle even the toughest odors. This is your answer to a fresh-smelling space. Its commercial-strength formula works to neutralize odors at their source, not just mask them. Experience true odor elimination. Say goodbye to musty smells and other unpleasant odors that linger. It effectively eliminates them, leaving your room smelling clean. This potent trigger spray is engineered to be the strongest odor eliminator available. Just spray and let it work its magic. Get a generous 32-ounce supply to ensure you have enough for all your odor elimination needs. It's a long-lasting solution for your home or business. What we like. With its commercial strength power and convenient trigger spray, this product is designed for immediate and effective odor neutralization. If you're dealing with strong, lingering smells like mustiness or general room odors and want a no-fuss application, this is your go-to. It's excellent for maintaining a fresh-smelling home environment. What people say. This product is a game-changer for pet owners. It effectively neutralizes odors without masking them with artificial fragrances. The spray is easy to use and dries quickly, leaving no residue. I've tried many odor eliminators, but this one is by far the best. It tackles tough pet odors, like urine and feces, and eliminates them completely. It's also safe to use around children and pets, which is a huge plus. Number 2. Angry Orange Pet Odor Eliminator Kit. Tired of lingering pet odors? This powerful formula targets and destroys strong smells at their source. Use the included UV flashlight to easily find hidden stains on carpets and floors. This versatile cleaner isn't just for carpets. It effectively eliminates odors from tile, upholstery, garbage cans, car interiors, and even turf. Keep all your spaces fresh and clean. Getting rid of pet messes is simple. Just remove pets from the area, clean up excess mess, shake well, spray the affected area, and let it dry completely. The UV light helps you pinpoint exactly where to spray. Enjoy a refreshing citrus scent derived from natural orange peels. This cleaner tackles stubborn odors, leaving behind a pleasant fragrance instead of harsh chemical smells. We are proud to formulate and manufacture this product right here in the USA. It's made with quality and safety in mind for pet owners like you. What we like. This kit comes with a UV flashlight to help you find hidden pet stains. If you need to not only eliminate odors but also locate the source of those stubborn urine spots on carpets and floors, this is the ideal solution. It's perfect for thorough cleaning and ensuring no spot is missed. What people say. This product is a game changer for outdoor pet odor control. It effectively neutralizes smells from my dog's favorite spots in the yard, leaving a fresh scent. I was skeptical at first, but this odor eliminator truly works. It tackled the strong urine smell on my patio and lasted for days. Highly recommend for anyone with dogs. Number 1. Bios Plus Odor Eliminator Concentrate 5 gallon. Are you struggling with persistent pet odors in your yard? Say goodbye to unpleasant smells and hello to a fresh outdoor space. Our advanced enzyme formula is specifically designed to break down and eliminate tough odors from pet waste. It effectively tackles even the most stubborn smells. Keep your artificial turf smelling fresh and clean, even after your pets have been active. It's the ideal solution for fake grass areas. This concentrate isn't just for turf, used on patios, in kennels, or even on gravel surfaces. It provides a comprehensive solution for outdoor deodorizing needs. With a generous 5-gallon supply, you'll have plenty of product to keep your entire outdoor area smelling great. Enjoy a long-lasting solution to pet odor problems. Reclaim your yard and enjoy a pleasant outdoor environment again. Our odor eliminator makes it easy to maintain a fresh-smelling space for everyone. What we like. This is an enzyme-based concentrate specifically designed for outdoor areas like artificial turf, patios, and kennels. If you have a large outdoor space that suffers from pet waste odors and need a powerful, enzyme-driven solution, this 5-gallon size is perfect. It's ideal for maintaining large yards or commercial pet facilities. What people say. This is a great product that works really well to eliminate odors. I was very impressed with how effective this odor eliminator was. It has a pleasant scent and is easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.